Hello YouTube, this is the remote controller protector / sunshade hood for the DJI RC Pro controller. Solid piece of plastic. This is the hood. This is the frame that will sit on the remote controller itself. Comes with 2 screws to hold it in place that can also be used for your lanyard. I recommend that you wipe this off to remove any dirt and debris so that it is not trapped between the frame itself and the body of the controller. Open up the antennas, placing it down, angling it up slightly, and fitting it into place. Next thing to do is install the screws. And that's how you install the sunshade. Primary drawback with this sunshade, however, are that I like to pinch the sticks like this when I fly. If I want to go forward throttle, I have to move my finger out of the way because it contacts. I can't get the full range. So I have gotten used to flying it where I'm just here and then maneuver my finger out of the way so that it will go, because this is touching. My finger gets in the way, as you can see in this top view. Yeah? Same thing with forward movement. My finger gets in the way, right? So I have to move my forefinger slightly out of the way in order to get full forward movement. I don't like that. I want to have full purchase of the control sticks when I'm flying. So how do I fix this? Well, I bought a second cover so that I can cut and make space, basically cut this section off here. So what do you think about that, YouTube? Pretty cool, huh? I can now maintain full purchase of the control sticks while flying. The benefits of using a controller protector and Sunhood include streamlined protection in the case, rapid deployment of the RC Pro from the case, protection of the screen, and not having to fumble with the control sticks. They're already in place. I've dropped them before and had to look for them in the grass. And I hope that you use a controller protector and Sunhood on your RC Pro as well. Take a look at the link below in the description. Until next time, YouTube.